2025年用一年时间自学英语，记录变化目标，看懂英文原版书 day5 读一篇 A1 水平的文章。
Finding balance in life means making choices that keep us healthy and happy. Let's talk about how to do this in different parts of our lives. First of all, it is important to have a balance between work and fun. Work is necessary. We need to work to make money, provide for our family, and because it is good to be productive. We also need to have fun, too. It is essential to laugh, play, spend time with others, and enjoy life. It is important to work and have fun. If we only work without any fun, we can become tired and unhappy. But if we only want to have fun, we can't do our work. So we need to find a balance. We should work hard and also dedicate some time to relaxation and fun. This balance help us finish our tasks and stay happy. Now let's talk about
plans.
Organizing our day. It is good to make plans and organize your schedule. If you do this, you will know what you need to do every day. It will help you stay on track and get things done. Planning also help us have more time to do things during the day. However, we don't want to always plan anything. It is also nice to have a little freedom. What I mean is giving yourself the opportunity to do something without planning them first. Sometimes it is good to do what feels right at that moment. This keeps life interesting. So I think it is good to plan our days, but also allow ourselves to do something that we didn't plan. This balance helps us be productive and organizing, but also happy and least stressed. Lastly, Lastly, let's talk about eating healthy. Of course, we should all try to eat healthy food. If we don't take care of our healthy, we can have serious problems. Eating healthy makes us feeling better, and it also help us work better and relax better. But sometimes we want to eat something that aren't so healthy. For example, I often crave sweets. I often care for sweets. Eating a lot of this type of food isn't so good. However, if we only eat this food sometimes, it is not as bad. This is the balance that I think we should have. We should eat healthy most of the time, but also allow ourselves to cheat a little bit. Then after we cheat and eat something unhealthy, we should immediately go back to eating healthy again. This balance helps us stay healthy, but also lets us enjoy our forever healthy treats once in a way. As you can see, balance is key. Finding balance in these areas of life makes life more enjoy. We can do the thing that are necessary, like working hard and eating healthy, but also enjoy our life. This is balance.